Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without the annoying black screen issue. Netflix blocks standard screen sharing to protect its video content, but you can bypass this by adjusting two simple settings. First, open Discord and join your voice channel. If you click Share Your Screen and select Netflix right now, your friends will only see a black screen with audio. To fix this, click User Settings in the bottom left corner, select Voice and Video from the menu, scroll down to the Advanced section, and toggle off Hardware Acceleration. Next, open your web browser, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, and open Settings. Click on the top search bar, type in Graphics Acceleration, and look under the System section. Find the toggle labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available, turn it completely off, and click the Relaunch button to restart your browser. Once Chrome or Edge restarts, go back to Discord, click Share Your Screen, choose your Netflix browser window, and it will stream perfectly with full video and audio. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.